Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you will have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then go to the SD card, then tap here, go to the storage settings, and then tap format, and then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted. And as you can see, my SIM card is ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.